Hi, in this video we'll be unboxing iMac 27-inch 5K model 2020. We'll do a full review of all the qualities and capacities, the specs as well, and stay tuned. And let's start with the box. It's definitely important to do your research before you buy your Mac. In my case, the Costco was cheaper than Apple, which doesn't make sense. But this is the box, a beautiful box, well made, well done Apple. Then make sure that you have all of your stickers and tags just in case if there is a defect or you want to return your purchase. Keep your receipts as well. What's in the package? You have your magic mouse and your magic keyboard, as well as a lot of stickers and the cords, the power cable and the USB charging cable for the mouse and keypad. It's pretty heavy, about 20 pounds. I wasn't expecting it. Then carefully remove all the plastic, and there's the power button right there on the right corner. That's it. iMac 2020 5K 27-inch. What a beauty. Let's see what it can do next. But before that, let's go on the back and check out all the ports. So here you have your headphones and SD card, 4 USB 2.0 and 2 USB-C, as well as the Ethernet cable, and right here is the power cable. And next we're gonna turn on the keypad and the mouse just behind there, and computer. And first thing you see is this amazing 5K Retina display. It's just unbelievable. That, the color, the detail, amazing. Very flexible. It's tilting down and upward. And check out some of those screensavers. There's a few presets that you can have a daytime and nighttime display, so therefore the blue light will be killed after a certain hour that you can set up. And here we're checking out the brightness. Okay, in this one I'm going to show you the difference in displays performance between the 2016 MacBook Pro 4K, and then we have 5K. That's a 4K file that we just created, so we're starting over here. And then over here. So it's the same file. This is, and let's check out the specs of this model. Alright, we have a processor of 3.3 GHz, 6-core Intel i5, memory of 8 GB, DDR4, and then storage of 500 GB. You can go up to 8 TB on that model. And of course the price will vary. Also, there's a nano texture on the display that you can add for a couple $100. And I recommend to you to use those user manuals. They're incredibly well made, and self-explanatory, so you can really get to know your Mac, especially if that's your first Apple computer. It's quite different from Windows users for sure. Everything is online, so we can access it 24 hours from anywhere, and just learn some of those little tricks and what your computer can do, and some of the shortcuts, and so on. And let's see what is new. We have a brand new HD camera, 1080p, that is allowed by this chip T2 that Apple has. And then we have a brand new speakers, and also a studio quality microphone. And let's hear and experience the sound. The difference between Apple MacBook Pro 2016 and iMac 27-inch 2020. So in the sound, we're gonna play the same song. So it's like outstanding difference. Bigger speakers, they work on the bass, and the result is this. Unbelievable. Let's see some tips and tricks. Let's follow up those user manuals that we previously mentioned. Actually, with them you can really see many shortcuts that are common for Apple, and figure out how to do double click and swipe left and right with your mouse. I have a little trouble transitioning from my laptop to a desktop computer, so those are some shortcuts with F3, F4 and so on. It's a great computer, and it's definitely a game changer for me since I'm doing primarily video making. So thanks for watching once again. I'm pretty excited about my new Mac, and hopefully this video helped you out know it better. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.